Okay, so I'm out in the shop today. As you may have seen in that first video, I had this toolbox at this weird angle on this piece of flat bar that's bolted to the wall. Anyways, this was my first attempt at a little movable shelf. I think in the woodworking world this would be a French cleat type design, but anyways, the angle iron bracket hangs on these two pieces of laminated flat bar that then allow it to be adjusted pretty much infinitely along the length. The bolts affect that. I could use countersunk flatheads to change that, but so far not a problem. Anyways, here's attempt number 2. Same toolbox, same design. This one I made a little bit deeper in this section so that the lid can actually have some clearance. I wouldn't say that that's actually deep enough still, but it's a whole lot better. And then that way it's not also sitting down in there so weird. It turns out that this actually has to sit kind of recessed in there a little bit, and so that's the main issue with this one over here, is none of it worked out. So anyways, here's the one in progress, the third one, same design as the second one, same design changes. So I am currently welding it up and getting it ready to go on the wall. So this will be lathe tools that maybe aren't so frequently used, and this will be mill tools, end mills, drill bits, other stuff like that.